The historic district of Intramuros is referred as the Old Manila. It was founded in 1571 by Spanish Governor General Miguel López de Legazpi. Intramuros is a Latin word which translates to inside the walls or within the walls. Intra is inside in English and muros are walls. Threats of invasions from Chinese, Japanese, and Dutch pirates prompted the constructions of walls made of adobe stones which took 240 years to complete from 1590 until 1830. This small pocket park is called Plaza Morenos, named after a Spanish governor, General Domingo Morenos. It used to be a public promenade during the Spanish colonial period until an 1863 earthquake destroyed Fort Santiago as well as the park. Adjacent to the park is the Baluartilo de San Francisco Javier, which is part of the seafront defense of Intramuros. It was also used as a soldier's barracks and storage chambers until the early 20th century. Fort Santiago, one of Manila's oldest fortifications, was built by the Spaniards in 1571 on the site of a structure by Raja Sulaiman, the pre-colonial ruler. It served as a military barracks during Spanish, British, American, and Japanese occupations. The fort was named after Saint James, the Moor Slayer, of which its image and the coat of arms of Castile and Leon decorate the main gate. It was damaged during the 1945 Battle of Manila. Only two defaced embossed Spanish soldiers remain from the original 1714 gate. Here you will find the dungeons originally used as powder magazines. These were then converted to prison cells. Despite stories of drowning torture, evidence shows the dungeons were above the Pasig River's flood level, making it impossible for water to reach them. Nearby are Dr. Jose Rizal Prison and chapel cells. From the first chapel cell was where Dr. Jose Rizal walked to his execution site in Bagumbayan, now Rizal Park, on the morning of December 30, 1896. He died by firing squad at 7:03 a.m. The White Cross is where they buried the 600 decomposing bodies found around Intramuros, to include those retrieved from the dungeons and chambers after the 1945 Battle of Manila. This powder magazine chamber of Santa Barbara also served as prison cell for hundreds of Filipinos and American prisoners during the Japanese occupation, where they died of hunger, thirst, and suffocation. At present, the chambers of Baluarte de Santa Barbara house the IMEC History Fortress Lego Education Center. Visitors inside can view the Lego models of lost landmarks, structures in Intramuros, as well as other places of interest in the Philippines. The Spanish colonization broke Catholicism in the Philippines, and Intramuros was the seat of Spanish sovereignty in the Orient for over 300 years. Originally, Spanish Intramuros had 7 grand churches, but most were destroyed during the Battle of Manila. After the war, several churches opted to rebuild outside Intramuros, To date, only 2 from the original 7 churches are still standing inside Intramuros, the Manila Cathedral and San Agustin Church. Here is the Mi Ultimo Adios Gallery, dedicated to the last poem written by Dr. Jose Rizal on the eve of his execution. It was rendered in several foreign languages, but to date, a translation in Indonesian is yet to materialize.